So what's the speed limit on this road?
That's 20 on there.
20 signs, so still 20 over
Yeah.
here. So keep going, so you can be, but if you can't see something coming towards you,
Yeah.
what's best?
No
Less
progress.
space,
Less speed.
less speed. Because you can't see it, where can you move your body towards my side, isn't it? Yeah, and keep going as well, same time. That's it, good. So keep planning ahead. That white car is coming. Do you think is it coming quite fast, or you able to go past the park card?
Probably not. No.
So stop the car, but how much space we're supposed to be given?
Tire and tarmac. Like one car's length.
No, tires and tarmac when you at the traffic light.
Yeah. And one
When you
car's
stop in
length.
like this is one car length, so you can go around, look at your mirror first and go around it slowly. Tires and tarmac only work when you're at the traffic lights or junction or where busy traffic where you're not overtaking someone.
Okay.
When you're overtaking someone, you must give at least one car or two cars length, okay? So same thing again, keep planning yourself car parked on the left and the right. So before we change of direction, what we should do now
Check
then?
mirrors.
Okay. And be in the middle, isn't it? Yeah, so you can maintain 1 meter speed. That's it, and gradually build up a speed as well if you can. So the black car is coming. Would you have enough time? I don't think so. So position yourself to the black and then give yourself one car length. Stop about there. There you go. The other car is coming. Do you think you have enough time, or you think you're going to let them come?
No.
Yeah, because they're coming quite fast, isn't it?
Mhm.
And the parked cars on your side.
Yeah.
So once that golden type of car goes, then what you should do, check your mirror. But when you're going around, how much space you have to give it to me?
1 meter.
1 meter. That's it. Good. Perfect. That's better. But make sure come back into your lane, and whenever it's possible, come back to your lane. So again, black car parked over there. You ask yourself, any car coming towards you?
Nope.
Pedestrians, and then also overtaking, and then 1 meter. So one car's length if you want to stop. But have you left enough room for that car to go past, you think?
Just, but not enough.
So that is part of your planning
Yeah.
as well, isn't it?
Yep.
So because you got that car parked over there, what would have been a better option for you? Could have gone a bit more inside there,
Inside.
or could have just gone it, is it?